Hello friends, we are back at Mirador El Time, and I wanted to show you the eruption, the ongoing eruption here from this beautiful viewing spot on the top of Barranzos del Angustias. So let's take a look.
Hello, my friend.
This is Nina.
Volcano.
There you see the volcano, which is still erupting. Can you imagine? This is how it looks in the night now from the top of the mountain here. So you see lava is running down. It's not reaching the ocean, it's spilling over all the lava flows, but here you see the city of Los Llanos in the night now. So this is the city of Los Llanos, and there you see the volcano. You see lava is running, doesn't stop. But fortunately today it's not destroying new houses, it's running over all the flows. It's a massive lava field, as you know, huge lava fields. It's several kilometers in width, so it has a lot of space to spill over on the top of all the flows. But if it doesn't stop, we'll start spilling to the sides, of course, sooner or later. But as you see, volcano itself is not very much active. You don't see lava shooting in the air or anything like that. Just this kind of thing, just lava flows in the night. You can see them, that just they are still running from the volcano. This is Tazacorte. This is Tazacorte. This is Los Llanos. And above Los Llanos is El Paso. This is Laguna, that direction. This road used to go to Puerto Neos, and it had been cut by lava, so Puerto Neos remained cut off from the world. Now it's exclusion zone. Here you see the cars going through the Barranzos del Angustias. To the other side is a big caldera mouth here, as you know. So that's how it looks in the night, exactly as you see it now in the video. Exactly the same view. Lava flows running down from the volcano.
Es que si no limpias la arena, si no te da a coger volcán, te da plaza la arena.
Close it. They close at 9. So many cars parking here to see the volcano and also to visit the coffee shop. So greetings from Mirador El Time. Volcano is active, lava is coming from the volcano, but you don't see much activity at the vents, just steaming. But in the night you can see clearly that lava is coming from the volcano. So this is the situation today on December 8th.